Dear friends, I heartily welcome you a class on utilization of input tax credit and manner of distribution of amount in electronic credit ledger under section 49 of CGST Act 2017. Dear friends, before going to know about what is the manner of distribution of input tax credit, we have to know the meaning of utilization of input tax credit. Utilization of input tax credit means set up or deducting the input tax credit already paid by the purchaser against output tax liability is called utilization of input tax credit. As per section 49 of CGST Act 2017, for the payment of output tax under CGST and IGST Act as per section 49 subsection 4, the amount available in the electronic credit ledger may be used for making any output tax payment towards output tax under this act or under the IGST Act in such a manner and subject to such conditions and within such time as may be prescribed. The next topic is manner of utilization of amount available in electronic credit ledger. As per section 49 subsection 5, the amount of ITC available in the electronic credit ledger of the registered person shall be utilized as follows. In case if we have or it is available the credit of IGST, then the credit of IGST can be made adjustment towards IGST, CGST, SGST and UTGST as per the manner quoted in section 49 subsection 5. If we have IGST credit, firstly we have to set up against IGST output tax liability. If it is remains, then we have to set up against CGST tax liability, then SGST, then also remaining it can be set up against UTGST tax liability. The second one is CGST credit. In case if we have CGST credit in the electronic credit ledger, firstly it is the liability to set up against CGST output tax liability. If it remains, then it can be set up against IGST. It cannot be set up against SGST or UTGST. Then the third one is SGST credit. If we have SGST credit in our account, firstly it can be set up against SGST output tax liability. If it is remains after deducting against SGST output tax liability, it can be set up against only IGST output tax liability. It cannot be set up against CGST or UTGST. The fourth one is UTGST credit. If any supplier having UTGST credit in his or her electronic credit ledger, it can be set up against UTGST output tax liability. If it is remains after deducting the UTGST output tax liability, it can be set up against only IGST output tax liability. It cannot be set up against CGST or SGST. This is about the manner of output tax liability. This manner of output tax liability can be simply explained like IGST can be adjusted with IGST, CGST, SGST and UTGST only. Then if the CGST credit is there, it can be adjusted with CGST and IGST only. Then if we have SGST credit, it can be set up against SGST and IGST only. If we have UTGST credit, it can be set up against UTGST and IGST only. This is about the manner of utilization of input tax credit in electronic credit ledger. Thank you. I hope you are understood.